You will lose touch with most of your friends after your spiritual awakening. To be honest, you will distance myself from some, and the others distance themselves from you. If you're experiencing something similar, don't despair. As the saying goes, there's light at the end of the tunnel. We take birth into the transactional world to interact, learn, and grow. Any interaction between two people that doesn't facilitate growth or understanding dies automatically over time, especially in the case of spiritual awakening, and that's why spiritual awakening is painful. So many friendships, relationships, and associations die because they run out of things to offer. And I'm not just talking about material things but things like love, compassion, understanding, empathy, and more. If there's no honesty in a relationship or friendship, how long do you think it's going to last? I know it sounds a little selfish, but you'll see that it's true if you look at it from a higher perspective. One of the biggest challenges you face when awakened is that you lose your ability to be fake. And that doesn't go down well with most people, because it creates uncomfortable emotions in them. Some of them will understand, while others will react as if a nerve has been hit. Especially the male ego is extremely sensitive about the topic of spirituality. What people don't understand is that you cannot force awakening, it happens on its own when you're ready. We like to believe that we live in the world, but a greater reality is that we create our world based on our perceptions and preconceived ideas and beliefs. You can visually see an object, but what you make of it depends on the kind of mind conditioning you've received in the past. Spiritual awakening breaks these preconceived notions, ideas, and beliefs and makes us realize that we're the immortal spirit having a human experience as the mind and body. For some, this realization can be extremely unsettling initially. We feel joy in your heart, because most of your unconscious traits and tendencies started disappearing. You will have no regrets or resentments with anyone anymore. Not even with those who had wronged you in the past. It will be such a liberation experience. You feel light. You felt like a great load was gone off your soul. Your earlier beliefs about religion, spirituality, righteousness, success, morality, and notions about living a virtuous life will crumble before your eyes. You can clearly see how putting effort into trying to be something you were not will give rise to emotional afflictions. At one point, you will decide to let go of this pain and accept who you are. Those who embrace spirituality know that it is one of the most challenging things we do in life. Most people say that they desire to learn the truth, but they lack the courage to digest it when confronted. The idea of seeking truth seems unnatural and impractical, because we've trained our minds to believe in the falsities of life. While we understand that we cannot be entirely honest with the world, but nothing stops us from being honest with ourselves. Many of our problems arise from the fact that we continue to deceive ourselves. We use false beliefs to justify our unkind deeds. Staying on the path means being true to yourself. Your awakening will give you your real purpose, and it will guide you on how to go about it. When you learn to follow the spiritual path fearlessly, the divinity within you will eventually manifest. You don't need a guru. Your higher self will guide you at every step with love and care and utmost compassion. When we rise above our selfish motives and work for the world's greater good, we start attracting the right people. Genuine compassion lies in our ability to accept people with all of their shortcomings. But that said, it doesn't mean that you should take abuse from people. No. The first person you need to be compassionate towards is yourself. You should safeguard yourself from people who have the tendency to cause physical or psychological harm. I'm not saying that you have to disconnect from the world or give up on people who don't support your beliefs. In fact, I am asking you to free yourself from beliefs so that you can better connect with others. When you realize your higher purpose and work towards it, the universe and the entire existence will help you. You will discover your higher purpose, and you work towards it every single day. I take solace in the fact that many people benefit from this message. I may not be able to eradicate all the evils that plague this world in my lifetime, but I'm content that I've been a part of this beautiful journey where I have made a small yet significant difference. Please share this video to help people in their spiritual journey. Thanks for watching.